If you want to take a screenshot in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to capture part of a web page or the full page in just a few seconds. This is super useful when you want to save an article, grab an image, keep proof of something online, or share information without having to copy and paste everything. And before we get into it, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the web page you want to capture. It can be any page you're viewing in the browser, whether it's a news article, a guide, a product page, or even a long web page that you want to save for later. Once the page is open, make sure everything you want to capture is loaded properly. Now, here's the shortcut you need. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and S at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Shift, and S. This opens Edge's screenshot or web capture tool. As soon as you press that shortcut, you'll see capture options appear at the top of the page. From here, you can choose the type of screenshot you want to take. If you only need a section of the page, choose Capture Area. This lets you click and drag your mouse over the exact part of the screen you want to save. Just hold and drag to highlight the area, and Edge will capture only that selected portion. This is perfect when you want just a paragraph, a chart, an image, or a small section of a web page. If you want to save everything on the page, choose Capture Full Page. This is one of the best features in Microsoft Edge because it automatically scrolls through the page and captures the entire web page, even the parts that are hidden below the fold. That means you don't have to take multiple screenshots or manually stitch anything together. Edge does the work for you and gives you one complete full page capture. Once you've chosen your capture option, Edge will usually let you preview or copy the screenshot, and in some cases you may be able to save it directly depending on your setup. From there, you can paste it into an app, save it for reference, or share it with someone else. If you captured the full page, you'll now have a complete image of the entire web page in one go. If the screenshot tool doesn't appear right away, make sure you're using Microsoft Edge and not another browser, and try the shortcut again. Also, on some systems, keyboard shortcuts can behave a little differently, so if needed, you can look for the web capture option in the Edge menu as an alternate way to access it. So to quickly recap, open the page in Microsoft Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on Windows, or Command, Shift, and S on Mac. Then choose either Capture Area for a selected portion or Capture Full Page for the entire web page. That's all it takes to take a screenshot in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.